Hi everyone! So today I'll be taking over my sister vlog. Hi everyone! So for today I'll be taking over my sister's vlog. Hi everyone! So today I'll be taking over my sister's vlog. So currently yung ate ko nasa CR siya ngayon kasi naliligo siya. Because I'm doing her makeup for today.
Kukuha lang ang damit ko.
Hi everyone! So for today, I'll be taking over my sister's vlog. Sa ngayon, yung ate ko naliligo siya kasi nga mag-makeup kami for today. So ngayon, kaliligo ko lang din and mag-aayos ako. Tapos later, I'll be right back with my makeup on. And then, si ate naman yung may makeupan ko. So, see you later. Be right back. And we're back. So, for today, ito na nga, nakaayos na ako. And yung ate ko, bare face, kasi nga, katatapos lang niya maligo. And ako naman yung mag-aayos sa kanya. So, I'm gonna try to put this kami ng top. Yeah. Put this look on her face as much as possible. Sana bumagay sa kanya.
Disclaimer, we're not professional, so we're just doing this para we all stay at home kasi bawal lumabas, we're under quarantine, and I hope you follow the rules. Ngayon, si Elisa talaga yung gagawa ng makeup ko kasi di ako marunong mag-makeup. And ito yung nanalo sa poll na pinost ko yesterday versus exercise vlog. Here it is. And ayan, we will start.
Hi guys! I'm right back. And tapos ko na make-upan yung ate ko. And this is my look. And get ready, you will see a Greek goddess. Ito na yung itsura ng ate ko.
Grabing Greek goddess. Props ang to. Tapos, ayan, yun ang gawa niya sa aking face. So, we'll be flashing a montage right after this.
Be right back! Okay, that's it for our vlog. If you like this video, hit like and don't forget to comment down below for suggestions on my next vlog. And of course, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be posted on my next videos. And my sister here, want to say something? Huwag niyo pa papanoorin yung montage ko kasi ang pangit.
Kasi pangit talaga siya. Siya ang aking pangit na kapatid. That's it. Bye!